with us this morning.
So the cutting of the ribbon symbolizes the opening of something new and something exciting, much like the opening of a gift or a package. For Jollibee, it means opening our doors and looking forward to fulfilling our mission of spreading the joy of eating to everyone. As Jollibee Payuman, we will keep in mind to provide total customer satisfaction by serving great tasting food. We will make each one feel special with our branded Aladdin Jollibee service, which is warm and friendly. Our customers will dine in a clean, safe, and comfortable store.
Our distinguished guests, you may now cut the ribbon in 3, 2, we'll take this opportunity to take a few photos with our guests. The rest of the guests may re-enter the store through the side door. Thank you very much. Swerte naman ang ating Tayuman team at may photo talaga sila with our beloved Mayor. If we could request everyone to please kindly take their seats as the excitement is not yet over. Program.
Para po sa ating mga guests, tayo po muna ay magsimubo. Para po sa ating mga guests, you may now take your seats. We will have our photo op later with our Johnny Town friends and also with our special guests.
Okay, smile. Smile po. One more. Smile. Okay.
Okay, we will now proceed with our coin ceremony. We we would like to invite Mayor Risco and Vice Mayor Chi to join us as we throw some blessings into the store. Also, we would like to call Sir Jover, Ma'am Nika, Sir Emmy, and Sir Iboy to join us in the coin tossing ceremony. The coin ceremony symbolizes all the blessings and good fortune Jolly Tigayuman will be showered with.